Okay, so how do we find the equation of a perpendicular bisector? So first of all, we need to understand what a perpendicular bisector is. Now, the second word, bisect, means cuts it in half. So if I've got these 2 points here, points P and points Q, then I need to find the midpoint between them. So that's the bisect part taken care of. Next part is the perpendicular. So perpendicular means at 90 degrees. So I'm really looking for the equation of that red line there. So what's the stages that we need to go through? First stage is we need to find the midpoint. Second stage is we need to find the gradient of PQ. Third stage is we need to find the perpendicular gradient. And then the fourth stage we need to find y minus b equals mx minus a. Here's a wee example for us to try then. So, first stage, remember, was to find the midpoint. So the midpoint of PQ, remember how we find the midpoint, is we take the x numbers, so take the 2 and take the 6, add them together, that gives us 8, and half it to be 4. For the y coordinates, we take the 4, we take the 6, we add them together, which gives us 10, and we half that to give us 5. So this point here is the point 4, 5. Second stage was to find the gradient of PQ. So that's going to be 6 take away 4 over 6 take away 2, which is 2 over 4, which cancels down to a half. Third stage is to get the perpendicular gradient. So we turn the half upside down, which becomes 2, and we change it to negative 2. Okay, now we're going to use this gradient, the negative 2, and this point, the 4, 5, to give us the equation of the line. Okay, so let's just move this up a wee bit. So, y minus b equals mx minus a. So that's y minus, and remember we're using this point here, 4, 5. So y minus 5 equals, and remember we're using the perpendicular gradient, negative 2 x minus 4. Remove those brackets. Y minus 5 equals negative 2x add 8. Tidy it up a wee bit. Y plus 2x equals 13. Okay, that's us.